Xander 58 here. Today I'm making a brand new video. Today I'm making a Rubik's 3x3 Rubik's Cube solve. I'm not going to teach you how to solve the cube. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to solve the cube. I'm not going to show you how to solve it. So yeah, I'm just going to solve it. Okay, let me just do this really quick. Okay. Let me just real quick. Okay. Piece in the wrong spot again, so it's gonna be. Okay, and then do that. Wait a minute. Okay, there. My first layer is done, guys. Now, time for the billboard. This is the billboard. It looks like a billboard, kind of, so yeah. And we're gonna go R-U, R-U, R-U-U-R. And the cross, which is R-U, R-U, R-U-U-R. Is the fish, R. See? You guys know why this is a fish? Because that's the head, and those are the two tails. That's why it looks like a fish. So, R-U-R-U-R-U-U-R. I'm just going to do R-R-U-R-U-R-U-R-U-R. Boom. It solves. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe next time I can teach you how to solve it. So yeah, but yeah, this is how you solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Bye.